Good.
Okay, we have a flat tire. We're going to repair it. First step is to take, oh look at this, we're missing a nut here. Isn't that interesting? There we go. We're going to use these to get the tire off.
Okay. Ooh, what's that?
That's the inner tube.
The pump. Awkward. Let's see. Shoo.
Well, I think I see the problem right there. That tube is...
The tube is what, sir? Oh!
Has a hole right there at the stem. I don't know if we can even fix that.
So, does that mean we... Do we have to go to the store?
No, I have another tube. Depends what size this is, actually.
Okay.
But we can try to fix it first.
Yeah. That'll be plan A.
Piece of rubber.
I don't think we can use the rubber because it's positioned.
Well, let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Alright. Let's have a look.
Oops. Maybe I can take it out here.
Maybe what we want to do is cut a little hole in it so it can fit right over that. What do you think?
I think that's a wonderful idea.
Okay.
A hole punch. There. So. Oh. Okay. So what do we do?
24, 1.5 by 2.2. So we'll put a... Let's see if we can patch it.
God. Ooh, it's a loud noise. So this is just slide it right over the top.
Right like that. So
Ooh.
first thing you do is
What?
scuff up the rubber.
Right?
Okay. And we put some rubber cement on there.
Cement.
Yes. That's another name for glue. A coating of glue. Take our patch, peel the backing off.
Excellent.
Now,
Just slide it right over.
poke that in there. Press that down.
So that's that. It's fixed.
That's the patch. We'll wait for that to dry.
Okay. We will wait for that to dry. Alright, so we're just gonna take a nut. Remember how there was a nut missing on the bike? We're gonna take a nut from this bike. Right here. So we're just gonna go with this. Okay. Is it dry now?
I think so.
Okay. Put it in.
See if it holds air. That's not a good sound. Yeah, didn't work.
Okay. Are you just gonna get a new tires in, or are you?
Well, let's see. So we'll have to get a
One from the store? It's still making that. Okay, so we're just gonna go to the store.
Well, let's have another look at it here.
Okay, have another look.
Maybe we can fix it with more glue.
And more patches. What?
It's not making that noise anymore. Now it is.
Yeah, so. What are you doing, Dad?
Trying to see whether the valve stem is leaking or not. No, it's not the valve stem.
So we just have to.
Why don't you pause that? The drone. Let's see where that's coming from.
Where's it leaking from? Could you show us?
Yeah, it's leaking from this side there.
On the side that we can't see? But this side?
Right there.
Huh? But we patched it.
Yeah, that's an almost impossible place to patch.
Okay, so then what do we do?
Well, let's see. Buy a new tube.
So we have to go to the store?
Oh, maybe we'll try to patch it again.
Okay. Okay. Still trying to patch it.
This time we'll use more glue.
Okay. More glue. That ought to work.
We'll see.
Glue everywhere.
And then our patch on top of the glue.
Patch is on, right?
Yeah,
There's a lot of glue.
there's a lot of glue there. Maybe too much.
Yeah, I had a feeling that was a bit too much. What are you doing?
Let's see.
Ah!
Take the valve stem out.
What? Ah! What are you doing?
I'm taking the valve stem out.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll let that dry for a while.
One of those pinchy thingies.
I'll put a couple of clamps on it.
That looks like you have to clamp it on the corners. Interesting.
Where'd the lid for this go? There it is.
Well,
And where did that?
it's all dry, so we're gonna see if it's good.
Pumped up.
Maybe it's just me.
Maybe it is.
Oh, it's just fun. Excellent, excellent. Ah, nice. So, that's it. It's all over. The end of the video. What's that noise?
That's not a good noise. That's the leaking noise. Lasted a minute.
Better than nothing. Let's go to the store.
I went to the store. They didn't have the right size. I have to order them online.
Oh, okay. So, just have to wait till it comes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Shing. Well, not everything has a happy end.